My name is Jeremy Sandoval, and this is my topic: strength training versus cardio training. When people exercise, whether it's running around the block or lifting dumbbells, they are performing physical activity that requires effort. Strength training can be described in two different parts: relative strength training and absolute strength training. Relative strength training is training your general strength without gaining any excess weight or unnecessary muscle mass. Absolute strength training is training to be the strongest man or woman possible, regardless of any weight gain or any other outside factors. But I believe cardio training is much more beneficial to the body. Not only does cardio mainly focus on the heart and lungs, but also the larger muscles in the body that people will always use on a regular basis. I believe it's better to have a healthier body than a good-looking one. Cardio helps prevent stress, heart attack, type 2 diabetes, osteoporosis, stroke, and even certain types of cancer. That's why I believe it's better to do cardio training than weight training.